This is a video tour of 3638 West Diversey in Chicago, Illinois. This is for the garden rear unit, and this is a 6-unit building on Diversey in the Logan Square neighborhood of Chicago. It is a fully secure gated property. The mailboxes are here on the left side of one of the gates, and as you enter the building, again, this is the rear unit, so we're going to walk all the way to the back. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit with washer dryer, dishwasher, oven, stove, microwave, refrigerator. As you get to the back, there is another gate, and that opens up onto the alley. So you can see that's the alley behind the property. And entering the back door here, you go down a couple stairs, and on the left is a closet outside of the unit, but a pretty good sized closet, so lots of storage. And then behind that is a utility closet with the electrical meters and the electrical panels for the building, but you can store some items in that area as well. And then entering into the unit, you can see there's a washer dryer on the left, and the kitchen is right there. So you have an electric stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, and here is a stackable washer dryer. And right behind that is the furnace, and there is central heat and central air and a tankless hot water heater, so you won't run out of hot water. And these are all in your unit, self-contained. You don't share them with anyone else in the building. There is the thermostat. And going into the first bedroom, there is a nice sized closet with mirrored sliding doors. And this is the first bedroom with a nice window, getting lots of light. And then walking into the bathroom. And then the main living room, again, 2 nice windows, so get lots of light in there. And then the other bedroom is there as well, again with sliding mirrored doors and a window as well. And then there's one more closet here. And then you enter into the center of the building, and so that's your kind of back door. And go up the stairs. And then you're back out front, in the middle of the building, sorry, at front of that unit. Thank you for taking a tour of 3638 West Diversey in Chicago.